Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block an email address. So in your laptop or your PC, open any browser and log into your Gmail. After that, you go to the specific mail in your inbox of the sender of the email address you want to block, and click on this three dots called more, and there is an option called block the user, and if you click here, this email address would get blocked from your account. And that's all you need to do for your desktop. So to block the email address from your mobile phone, it's just like the previous one. You just need to click on the three dots, and there is an option called block the user. And if you block it, you will see that you have blocked this address. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.